So I just wanted to make this video to show how wrong I was on USDCAD. Pyramid reversal strategy was shaping up okay at first. Had an opportunity to take some profit actually. Nothing crazy though. We were looking for home runs in this setup, and that's something that I'll talk about later. Um, but I'm not looking for just like a regular trade here. I'm not looking for a low 1%. I'm not looking for even 2%, where you're usually looking for big boy trades. But not only did it go sideways, it ended up going up to key level, hanging out there, and then breaking through um, over the past 24 hours. So this is a rough one. This is a really rough one. Um, this it just went crazy. So sometimes, this is why you appreciate it whenever the strategy plays out like you really wanted to. We could tell back in this area that there's potential that this strategy wasn't going to work out for us just based on the pattern, just based on the chart pattern. And I like that about this strategy. You know if you need to really bail early. Um, that doesn't mean that you actually bail. I mean, I'm hard headed because I know the potential of this type of trade, and that's why I was able to risk 4% here. Should I be losing 4% on a busted pattern like this? Hell no. And as I get tighter and better at my craft, uh, what cost me 4% here might cost me 2%. And then at one point, it'll cost me 1%, so on and so forth. Um, but yes, I am not upset or ashamed that I risked 4% to find out that this trade did not work. Overall, in the month, I'm up way higher than 4%, so we're good anyways. But yeah, just wanted to make this video explaining that. Um, excuse me. I still have supreme confidence in my strategy, um, and probably a little bit more confidence now, and the ability to say, all right, my strategy is not playing out on this particular pair because the pattern didn't match up. All right.